Hey, what's up guys? I got this pet trimmer to help out with my dog in between groomings for around her ears and paws. So for this video, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you so we can see together what it comes with. Okay. So it has just kind of your little thank you card here. And it comes with a USB-C charger. Then your manual. They had a little cleaning brush here that fell out of the box. Set that down. Oh, on the bottom of the wrap here it has a carrying case and a little comb. And then the actual trimmer. Get that out. It's here, so I'm going to open that up so we can look at it a little closer. There it is. There's your charging port. Up close look at the blades. See, looks like it came about 76% charged already. Typically you want to make sure that you charge these fully before you use them, so I'm going to plug it in before I use it too much, and then I'll make another video actually trying it out and let you know what I think more about it.